So we move on to our next project, which is finding the max, the sum, and the average and minimum. First, we set up our data view with some columns, which is data view one dot column counts which is respectfully two columns, which are the ID column and the score column. So data grid one dot column index zero dot name is ID. Data grid one dot column index one dot name is score. So we add rows to our data grid to which is data grid one dot row dot add. Let's have some data in it which is running 80. So this adds a new row. Same applies to the rows which is the 290, 375, 485. So we initialize calculation, which is calculate initial value. So this is a method for a function um which is responsible for calculation. So let's move on. So this function of code recalculates when the data changes. So this function recalculates when there is a change in the data. So this also recalculates when there is when the row are removed. So this function recalculates when the row are removed. So we take a look at the method responsible for the calculation. So first we define a variable name as volume. First, where the primary sub calculate starts, which is a method responsible for the calculation. So we are defining that method. So dim value as new list of decimal array. So we look through the rules of the data given using a for loop. So for each row, our data will be row in data will be one dot column. If not row is new date, which means if the row is not maybe a new rule that does not contain any values, then you move on to define another variable named as cell val, which is equal to row dot val cells for dot val, which means it it extracts all the values of the column scope. It extracts all the values there. So each cell val is not nothing and also is numeric. Silver dot to string, then volume dot add converts to decimal. All this means that if this variable is not now and also it is numeric, then we convert it to this one a numeric data type or a numeric data. Then add it, then value dot add convert to decimal self. So we add it to the values and convert it to decimal data type. We enter its statement. So we want to display the result in our text boxes. If value dot count less than zero, then if value dot count greater than zero, then if the value count is greater than zero, then text box sum dot text is equal to text value dot sum dot to string. So this displays the sum of all the values. Text box marks dot text is equals values of marks dot to string displays the maximum value. Text box main dot text is equals values of main dot to string displays the minimum value, and text box out dot text is equal to values of average dot to string which is set to 00 displays the average value. From there, this portion of code less when we get what you want. So if you take a look at the UI, so this is our UI. You can remember that the maximum value here is 90. So max 90. So the sum of all these values is 300, 330. The minimum value here is 75. That means say, and the average is 82.50. Thank you.